this user's profile, and it's categories that they create.
Okay.
It's not connected to our search. It's not connected when you go up here, you see my mouse to these product services. It's not going to appear there. It's basically like tags or labels that they can put on their own products. And then those labels will appear in the filters on their profile product. So sometimes you will see the word profile product page when we write to each other, when we describe things. That's what we mean. We mean the products page on someone's individual profile.
Yeah.
So where is that added? I'll show you that in just a little bit. I'll show you how that's done. But the user, the owner, can add that, and that will appear in the filter options. Okay. The same sort options that are in the main searches are also on the profile here. Same sort options. Except maybe closest. If there's ever like a closest, it won't be on the profile because there's no distance for that. Okay, so it looks very similar. The card is basically the same. There's the product name, the stars, the price.
What is the
and
button?
then
What
the little
the button?
that's actually get quote. So when you click that button,
Mm-hmm.
that would be the same. Remember that get quote modal?
Yeah.
That get quote modal that you saw, it's the same exact thing. Same exact thing. And the same thing on the main products and services page. There's a little for the main products and services search page. The cards also have that. So just to show you, we didn't really go over the cards that much, but this is the main one. We're on the products and services search. They also have this.
Yeah.
The only difference with this card is it has the company name on it. It has a link. You can click that. But obviously, when we're on the profile, we don't need the company name because we're already there. So that's removed here.
Mm-hmm.
You can also, you can bookmark it. You can save it. And I can show you that later where that goes. Okay. Okay, so that's the visitor view. Now, if I'm in the owner view, let's go to owner view. I still have filter, I still have sort, I still have all that, but I also have add product button.
Mm-hmm.
Now, if you are a product type of business, you can add products in two ways. You can add one at a time. So here's our drop down for add product, one product, or you can upload a product list. Adding one product at a time. And by the way, let me tell you, service type cannot do that. A service business cannot do multiple products. A service is only one product at a time because they probably don't need to add many products if they're a service. Maybe, I don't know, maybe not even 20, probably less than that. So not really necessary for them. This is what it looks like to add one product. Okay, you're going to put the product name up here. Then you have a little place for an image. You have a unit price and unit of measure. So unit price is the number 20, 25, 100, 500.
Mm-hmm.
Unit of measure, we have an example here, kilogram. Now, we have a lot of businesses, types of businesses, a lot of business categories. So we really can't easily provide a drop down of every single measurement. So this is
what they're selling. Exactly.
It's too limiting for us to do that. So this is where the user will enter that. So for example, kilogram. And then that will show up on the card, for example, right here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then right here, let me explain these two. Let me jump to this one. This one's easy. Leafy loop product category. This is the one that we've talked about many times. This is the one that the business name or the business categories from registration. And it's also the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from this document.
Yeah, big one.
Etc. Yeah, the big one.
Yeah.
The numbered one. The first, sometimes we call it the first layer,
mm-hmm.
and we call the other ones the second layer or subcategories. So these are just those first layer categories. Okay. So leafy loop product category. Actually, there should also be There actually should also be, now that I'm